Today's idiom is "it's all hands on deck for the product launch." So, what does it truly mean in modern English? When you hear "it's all hands on deck," it means that everyone available is needed to help with a task or situation, especially when it is urgent or important. Just like sailors rushing to the deck in a crisis, it implies a situation where collective effort and immediate action from all team members are crucial to successfully achieve a goal. To help you understand the idiom, let's take a look at a short dialogue between two people.
Hey Sarah, this product launch is next week. Are we ready?
Almost, but the marketing team just told me it's all hands on deck for the product launch.
All hands on deck? Do they want us to literally put our hands on the ship's deck? I didn't know we had a boat.
Haha, no, Mark. It means everyone needs to help. It's all hands on deck for the product launch. Let's test your knowledge. What do you think "it's all hands on deck for the product launch" originally meant? Was it L sailors needed on the main deck during an emergency, sailors taking a break on the deck, or card game played with hands on the deck? Take a moment to think about it. Here's a hint for you. On-sider where deck might literally refer to a specific place. Which option seems most likely given the word deck? Make your guess now, and let's reveal the answer on the next slide. The correct answer is L sailors needed on the main deck during an emergency. This idiom has a fascinating nautical origin. In the 18th century, British naval ships used L hands on deck as a command. It was a literal call to action, signaling that every available sailor, regardless of their usual duties, was urgently required on the main deck. This usually happened during critical situations like storms, battles, or complex maneuvers where every single person's effort was vital for the ship's survival and mission. Let's look at how "it's all hands on deck" can be used in different contexts. For our first example, the deadline for the project is tomorrow, so it's all hands on deck to finish everything. Here, the idiom emphasizes the urgent need for everyone to contribute to meet a critical deadline. It highlights a shared responsibility and a concerted effort. Moving to our second example, with the unexpected rush of orders, the restaurant staff declared it was all hands on deck for dinner service. In this scenario, it clearly shows that every available person, even those with different roles, must pitch in due to an unforeseen, demanding situation. Both examples illustrate the idiom's meaning of collective, urgent effort.
Now let's play a quick game. Among the following four expressions, can you identify the two that are similar in meaning to "it's all hands on deck"? Your options are everyone pitch in, hip in, rest on one's laurels, and take a back seat. Think about which ones imply collective effort and participation in an urgent situation, just like our idiom. Take a moment to consider each phrase. Which two would you choose as the closest synonyms? We'll reveal the correct answers and discuss their nuances shortly. The two similar expressions are everyone pitch in and chip in. Everyone pitch in is very close, meaning everyone contributes effort to a common goal, often without needing specific instructions. Chip in also implies contributing, typically money or a smaller effort, but still conveys helping. In contrast, rest on one's laurels means being content with past achievements and doing no more, the opposite of active involvement. Take a back seat means adopting a less active role, clearly contrary to all hands on deck, where everyone's crucial involvement is expected. To summarize, "it's all hands on deck" means that everyone available must actively help with a task, especially if it's urgent or important. Rooted in the nautical world, it vividly captures the necessity of collective effort in a crisis. So, next time you hear about an upcoming deadline or a big event, and someone says, "it's all hands on deck," you'll know it's a call for teamwork and shared responsibility. Remember this idiom to emphasize the critical need for everyone's participation in a challenging situation. If you have any idioms you'd like to study, please leave them in the comments.